Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. I'm a math expert from St. Petersburg, Florida, and we are here to talk about how to solve fractional exponents. What you need for this exercise are a pen or pencil, piece of paper, and a calculator, whether it be graphing or scientific. So we're going to go over a few examples on using properties of fractional exponents, and we'll see what you can do with those right now. Now, let's start off with 4 to the 3 halves, for